Does unscrewing a fuse from a fuse box stop the flow of electricity? I had a very noticeable hum in the box and unscrewed a fuse that was slightly warm, as opposed to all the other that were cold. The hum decreased, but has not gone away completely. I was concerned about the hum and the fact that I have a short series of outlets in my house that have stopped working. I've unplugged everything from these outlets, but was trying to make sure there wasn't electricity still going through the wires. Should I leave the fuse loose in the socket?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Remove it completely. Do you have a 2-wire multimeter and are you able and willing to troubleshoot the circuit?
I don't have a multimeter, but I do have an electrician coming this weekend. I just want to make sure things are safe until then. This circuit is not critical and I don't need to have it fixed immediately. Just worried about the hum, as I know that means something is not right. Why should I take the fuse out completely? I don't understand what the difference is between unscrewing it and removing it. Are you saying electricity could still be moving through that circuit if the fuse is partially in?
Removal means no chance of making contact. Unscrewing depends on how much you unscrew it.
So does removing the fuse mean that it's safe for the time being, until the electrician comes to fix the problem?
As far as that circuit is concerned. If the hum is still present, there could be another issue.
There's still a slight hum coming from an electrical box to the left of the fuse panel. I'm also hearing a slight hum here and there in the house. But I think I'm just being super vigilant at the moment. I realize things like refrigerators and electric clocks do make some noise. I know it's difficult to figure this out via email. Which is why I have someone coming in, but short of turning off the main circuit breaker to the house, which includes the furnace, I just want to make sure I've done the correct thing until Saturday and everything is safe. My electrician said it could be a number of things, with the breaker box, but didn't respond to my last question because I think he called it a night.
I can tell you a simple way to verify if there is a short on the circuit or if it was running hot because of the load. With everything unplugged and the lights switched off, screw in a light bulb into the fuse holder. If it lights, there's a short; if not, there isn't. The long and short of it is that if the fuses are sized correctly, they should blow if there is a short.
I'm assuming there is a short. But I'm a bit too timid to try the light bulb test to confirm. I'm just waiting to hear from you that if I take the fuse out completely, that will stop the flow of electricity, and it's what I should be doing at this point. Or do I put in a smaller fuse, 15 amp as opposed to the 30 that was in there?
Having a 30A fuse in the circuit says that it was overloaded and should have failed for sure. Remove the fuse. The fuses prevents the current to exceed the rating of the wire. There is no way that there should have been a 30A fuse on a receptacle circuit. Remove the fuse, and if there are others in the panel, downsize them to 15A until an electrician can check the wire size.
I'm still confused about whether I take that fuse, now a 15 amp, out completely, or leave it in. Even when I screw in the 15, it makes a louder humming noise. And yes, I will make sure all the other fuses are either 15 or 20. The inscribed lettering on the fuse box did say that particular fuse socket took a 30. But I really want to know whether about that original fuse in question. That will be my final question, hopefully. So do I leave the 15 amp in, and have the louder humming noise, or take it out completely until the electrician comes?
Take it out completely.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.